Cut to the chase. Unraveling idioms for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting English idiom, cut to the chase. This phrase is a staple in both casual and formal English conversations, and understanding it can really help you sound like a native speaker. So, let's unravel its meaning and learn how to use it effectively in our daily conversations. Cut to the chase is an idiom that means to get to the point without wasting time on long introductions or irrelevant details. Imagine you're telling a story, and your listener is getting impatient. They might say, "Cut to the chase," asking you to skip the extras and get to the main part of the story. It's all about focusing on what's really important. The phrase, "cut to the chase," has its roots in early Hollywood. During silent films, there would often be a climactic chase scene that audiences eagerly anticipated. Filmmakers were advised to cut to the chase to keep the audience engaged, skipping over the less exciting parts of the film. This cinematic advice turned into the everyday language we use now. Using "cut to the chase" is pretty straightforward. It's best used in situations where you want to emphasize the importance of getting to the main point. Here are a couple of examples. In a meeting, "I know we're short on time, so let's cut to the chase and discuss the main agenda." Among friends, "I know you've got a lot to tell me, but can you cut to the chase? I'm dying to know the end." Remember, while it's a useful phrase, it's also direct. Use it judiciously to ensure you're not coming across as rude or impatient. There are a few variations of "cut to the chase" that you might hear. Get to the point. Skip to the good part. Don't beat around the bush. Each of these expressions conveys a similar sense of urgency or desire to get to the main topic without delay. And there you have it, folks. Cut to the chase is an idiom that adds a lot of character to your conversations, allowing you to express urgency or a desire for brevity in a fun and idiomatic way. We hope this video helps you understand and use "cut to the chase" confidently in your English conversations. Don't forget to practice, and as always, thanks for watching. See you in our next video.